Hey guys, it's Dr. Emil Tompkins, and let's talk about designing a year of abundant health. Because if you're going to do that, it starts with, we talked about this before, making sure that you're setting smart goals and taking proactive steps to help your body function at its best. Motion is life. Movement and exercise are the essential foundations to living your best life. Not only does motion help you feel better physically, research also shows that movement and exercise can help your brain stay sharp and focused. Before you can begin a daily exercise routine, you'll want to ensure that your spine and joints are moving well. And if any of your joints aren't moving properly, it's going to be difficult to move through your entire range of motion safely and painlessly. In fact, when any number of joints aren't moving properly, that usually means other joints have had to compensate, which means they'll become overloaded, which puts you at increased risk of injury. So, maintaining the following three types of movement that we're going to talk about here in a moment is the key to optimizing how your body functions and will help improve your health in the new year. The first motion we're going to talk about is segmental. As the foundation of your spinal motion, segmental movement describes the motion that happens between each set of bones in your spine. Let's talk about that. So we're going to look directly at the spine here. And when I say segmental, what I'm talking about is the very specific individual vertebra in the spine. Each of those, one in relation to the other, needs to be moving normally. So we have that segmental motion that we have to make sure that we get right. So that's number one. The next is regional. Your spine is divided into four primary regions. And so let's talk about that. So there's the neck, the cervical spine. There's 7 vertebrae there. There's the thoracic, that middle part of the back. There are 12 vertebrae there. And there are 5 lower back lumbar vertebrae there. And then we have your pelvis and your sacrum. So we have these 4 regions. So our cervical, our thoracic, our lumbar, and our pelvis. So we have those different regions that we want to make sure are functioning really well. So we're moving beyond the segmental and into the regional. And then you have whole body motion. So when you combine the segmental and the regional movements of your spine with the movement of your extremities, you have whole body motion. Now, abundant health starts with moving well and feeling great. And as you've probably noticed, each of these movement types will build on the other. Problems with the segmental motion can cause problems with regional and whole body movements. So to have optimal whole body movements, you want to ensure that both the regional and segmental motion is in tip-top shape. So if you notice any pain or limitations in your movement patterns and you're here in Southern Arizona, be sure to schedule a visit with us today. Oh, hey, if you like these kinds of tips, go ahead and like this video, subscribe, click that bell, so that you can get alerted when the next video drops, probably next week. Look forward to seeing you. We'll catch you in the next video. And hey, down in the comments, if you notice that there's an area that isn't moving as well as you'd like, go ahead and let us know. Let's talk about that and talk about some things that you have done to help improve the movement in your body. There's lots of things that you can do. I'd love to hear what you're doing, and we'll see you soon. Have a great day.